Alright, today we're going to be looking at Unit 4.4, Introduction to Related Rates. Now, obviously we'll just go over here real quick, we know for triangles, we know that the equation for finding triangles is, or we can use c squared equal a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And I'm just going to write it like this, saying this is a, this is b, and this is c. Now, if we know that a is 5 and b is 5, then we can find out what c is by using this equation. But this is only if they're constant. If it's a situation like this, I have my really great cars that I drew. If they're moving, how are we supposed to determine this h if we know that this one's moving at a rate of, we'll say, like 5 miles per hour? I don't know why I drew a b. And this one's moving at a rate of 10 miles per hour. How are we supposed to find this h given that? So we are just going to have to take the derivative of this equation because it's giving you rate. I used h again. So again, our equation is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and now we are just going to take the derivative with respect to time. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Make sure you take the derivative of both sides. So it's going to turn into the derivative dA over dt times a. You can put it not a, 2a, because you bring them down the exponent. So then this one's going to turn into 2b dB over dt equals 2c dc over dt. Now, let's say this is our a and this is our b. Now we have everything we need if we were going to find this hypothetical c right here.